this is my first time doing tie-dye. So let's get started. So I don't have real tie dye, so I'm using fabric paint. Don't use watercolor because that will just, when you wash it, it'll just go, the colors will just, go away. So the ingredients you're needing: spray bottle, water, hairband, cloth, brush, paint, shirt, and yeah. So the paints I'm using are yellow, red, pink, orange, green, and blue. So let's get started. This is my shirt. I'm gonna do the rolling technique. Just roll it. So next, yeah, good. So I'm having 5 hair bands. I'm gonna take how many hair bands. It's based on how many hair bands I'm using. It's in total 6 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's get started. First, I'm going to use my spray bottle to first seep in the color what I'm doing. So I'm going to start with the red. So let's dip it in all of it a little bit. Okay guys, I just done red. Now I'm doing green. Yeah. Okay guys, I'll see you guys after I'm done green. Okay guys, I just finished green. Now I'm going to pink. Okay guys, I'm doing pink right now. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm doing yellow. Okay guys, I'm doing yellow. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, now I'm going to do blue. Okay guys, I'll see you when I'm done blue. Okay guys, now I'm doing orange. Okay guys, now I'm doing orange. I'll see you guys when it's over. Okay guys, I just finished my t-shirt. Now we have to wait for it to dry. Okay guys, it's the next day and it's so pretty, it's so colorful. This is the front. This is the back. I really like it. I'm gonna wear it every day. Yeah. And yeah, hope you learned something new from this activity. And this is the first time I've done tie-dye and it's pretty well. And yeah. Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe.